Because what's running errands without Starbucks, you know? Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Night Asia J, and for the girls returning, hey girl. So this video is gonna be a maintenance vlog. My birthday is coming up and my trip is Wednesday, so we're doing a little self-care, getting our lives together, getting ourselves right, and I just wanted to share that with y'all. So y'all should already seen that we did our nails, we did our no, we didn't do our nails, but we did our toes, and we got our wax. Now, I ain't had wax in a minute, but girl, let me tell you, I use this product. This is on TikTok. Yeah, it was on TikTok like 2 years ago. This Dermablast, I sprayed it, and when she was snatching it off, it wasn't hurting that bad. I wasn't like screaming, but I was like, but it wasn't like excruciating for how long it's been since my last wax. So so yeah, it wasn't that bad. But let me show you guys my toes. Hold on. All right, y'all, here's my toes. I just did a regular French. I'm not into acrylic on the toe. I'm not into that. So this is my regular toe with white, and it looks so cute. I love how my feet look. Cute little vibe. All right, so now we're gonna be doing eyebrows because I don't trust nobody. Nobody touched my eyebrows after that botch of, what is it, botch of 2018, where the Indian lady threaded my eyebrows and they were like little lines and pencils. So I stopped letting people do my eyebrows and I do my own. So I actually brought this from Marshall's. It is like the precise one. I never tried this before, so we're gonna see what it's sitting for. And I also use this. Now this is my boyfriend's. He does it with for haircuts because he cuts his own hair. But I took it and I use it for my eyebrows, and I'm about to show you right now. So let's get into maintenance. So right guys, so now I'm just doing my own eyebrows. They look a lot crazy actually. I do not trim them, so I just clean under them. If you see me, look in the mirror. But I just clean them up like around here and then up here, and I leave the extra hairs because once they're gelled down, it creates a thicker brow. So ouch. So yeah, that's what we're doing. And again, I'm gonna be using these I found from Marshall's. They were like $3.99, and this is like a shaving gel. So let's get into it. And then I'm gonna take this random spoolie excuse me, random spoolie, and sorry if y'all didn't see me in a minute. I was sick, and then the cold aggravated my asthma, and then I was having asthma attacks, like, and I'm still a little coughy, but I do feel much better, and I'm happy to be back recording the videos because I was out bad for a little bit, y'all. I was out bad. But back to the video. So I'm just gonna always start down first. about this. Sometimes the eyebrow do not give sisters. Do not give twins. It gives cousins double second removed. Like, ugh. But the only good thing about this is like they're still thick, so I could fix it with a pencil. And this one looks really done. Actually, they're not bad. I'm being dramatic. They're not that bad. Yeah, they're definitely not that bad. I'm gonna see if I can clean that up at the underneath so it'll look a little more cleaner, because it just looks like hair was cut. Alright, y'all, so I think I'm okay with this. Definitely think it's okay. And then once I put my brow gel and add a little extra to it, it'll be good. So I get them in line. I'm not doing lash extensions because I'm not really I'm not really into that much. I already have like really long lashes, so I just brought an eyelash curler, but you guys will see that on vacation. So yeah, just did it with these razors, and stay tuned because we're getting our nails done. Tune back in. All right, y'all, so I'm sorry I forgot to record me get my nails done, because I went to my homegirl and we was just chatting, kikiing, you know, talking it up. I will insert a little video of it before it was done, but this is how they look. So pretty, so girly, so dainty. This is so me. Let it focus. Yeah. So these are my little birthday nails. Simple, pretty, but very dainty, very girly. It's like a light pink, and it's a gel, build a gel on top of a nail extension. I don't know, girl. But my nails are done. Nails secured. We gotta do hair. I'll save that for tomorrow. And yeah, we're almost ready for vacation. Almost ready. I'm so tired. So I'll see you guys when I'm doing my hair. Peace. We are birthday ready.